Jamaican girl tries American snacks.
From Trader Joe's.
This is the dried fruit, soft and juicy mango.
Let's get your reaction.
Wait, not to distribute for the masses. This is yours.
One for you.
And this is yours.
One for you. Thanks. It look like plantain chipsy.
I wonder if a Julie mango.
This count,
It actually tastes good.
Ew.
You like it?
You like it?
Me like it. It tastes good.
So it tastes like the mango skin.
Because it's dry. Babes, taste it. You don't like it?
You like it? Nice.
Me like it. Me go buy more of this.
It's soaking in syrup though.
No.
No?
You're not soaking on. You don't like it?
Tastes great.
Alright, so the first thing she tastes, she never tried. She never like it. So it tastes like green mango. Next thing.
We're opening everything now?
Of course.
No, this is the vitamin. I'll show you.
That no night people.
Oh, Vita Fusion. And it's gummy. Boring.
Bamba puffed peanut and corn snack.
Let me see. Bamba. Alright. Bamba peanuts.
She still like eat the mango. Pause it.
I like the mango for real though.
The mango is good, right? I like it.
Here you go.
What's that?
Peanuts.
Oh, I like this. I know this one. I like it. You're not gonna like it, but I like it.
This is like cheese chips, but peanut one.
Should try it?
I thought it was a sweet one.
No, the sweet one is there.
Literal
Oh.
peanut butter.
Peanut butter unsweetened. This tastes like the peanut butter where you can make straight from the you can ground yourself with no sugar. That's what that tastes like.
It has
But it's a good snack.
cheese puff vibes, but peanut butter taste. I don't think my mouth likes that. It's not bad though. I can't eat it.
It's not terrible.
Any more? You want more?
No, I know that one. I like it. This is so good.
Jamaican girl tries foreign snacks
Part 2.
part 2.
We're back in the ranch.
So right now she's trying my homemade lemon cupcake. And you said it's 9 out of 10.
Just because
So by the time you come back, it's gonna be 10 out of 10.
Just because you're frying for you.
You one, cause if you're all one, 11 out of 10, but that's what you get. Look on it, man. Golden brown.
Stop wasting my time.
Now she's trying the, let me see, Candied ginger from Trader Joe's. Are you a ginger lover in general? No.
Tastes good though, huh?
Ginger in that, right?
You know, yeah.
Tastes nice, don't it?
It can work.
This can go.
It can eat. It's not harsh like regular ginger.
It's giving. When it says giving,
It's
It
giving.
is giving.
giving nothing.
Alright, so now she's gonna go, and these are all, what you call these? Dried
Dried fruits.
fruits. So we have the ginger. Now she's gonna go for the, let me see the bag.
This is the mandarin.
Alright.
Lord, you're not busy coming. This looks like trash.
A communion. These are real tangerine and dehydrating.
It's too sweet.
Man, why them soak all of these things in a syrup?
This is just real sweetie I eat. Just solid sweetie. It don't even taste like like
Total sugar.
30 gram? For the whole bag?
Includes 13 grams added sugar.
Hold on, for the whole bag or for one
for a
serving?
serving.
12 piece per 30. I'm not finished. Sure?
Next is orange slices. Actual.
No, you go.
No, we know it is already.
You can just break it if you don't want to go all ham with a big piece.
You might want to break it.
That one is.
These are all Trader Joe's, by the way.
Yeah. This orange skin.
This orange is giving.
Orange skin. But
Yep.
when you peel the orange, how it smells, it's how this tastes.
The rind. So you like it?
Cheers, go down.
Which one is that? No. Onion chips.
chips.
You like onion?
Ah, that one that tastes good. Touch you
She's going back.
for seconds.
It tastes like onion, but
Tastes like a chip.
also tastes like air.
Here.
That's because it's been dehydrated.
And this is sweet onion, I think.
That's
they
really
use.
onion in it. So yeah, so you don't like it? Tell the truth.
I wouldn't snack on it at all.
For real?
Not really. Sorry.
Loads of onion.
It's a no for her, but it don't taste bad. If you like onion, you'll like this. This is puffed peanut and corn snacks. Oh, corn snacks.
So that would take the onion out of your mouth.
For sure. The smell, the regular millennials smell this.
Yes, from them look on the bag, that's it. A winner.
No. I just wanted to know what was inside.
Hazelnut cream like what do you call it? Nutella.
Impressed.
Impressed. You would
She
never
went for
know.
a third. That
Where's
means
the
they win.
excitement? Impressed.
She's actually impressed. I think she's beaming with excitement.
She eats
just
three.
can't see it.
So guys, she's impressed. This is
What
what
the
they
next
love.
one? What the next one?
This is a must try.
You want one here? Cassava chips.
This is like you're eating thinly sliced bammies.
No, it's like eating cassava.
No cassava make bammy.
Yeah, but not the same. There you go.
I don't like bammy.
The smell taste.
Yeah. It's just like the one in Jamaica.
The cassava chip?
It can't.
You can't eat. She gone back for a fourth.
What?
The
Cassava.
sauce is good.
So now something a bit healthier. This is jicama steaks. She's never heard of jicama before. Philip, why are you drenching
No,
her?
that's the last
But
thing.
you know, wait till she's done.
It take too long.
Alright, so she's gonna try without first, and then with the tahini. Good fruit and vegetable seasoning.
Okay.
You're supposed to put. I do work with salt. Pepper, cheese, just cut it must go to the pot.
Why did you say that? Okay. Something.
Yeah. Cacio e pepe. Which is what kind of snack?
Just cheese tricks.
What is language is cacio?
It's I think it's French or Italian. But it's simply pepper and cheese, cacio e pepe.
Yeah, I thought me
That's cheese and pepper. It tastes good, down.
Tastes familiar, yeah.
See?
Like cheese, what do you call it? Cheese puff?
Cheese and pepper.
Oh.
It's good. This, I would snap it.
No.
Out of everything.
Out of everything, this she would snack on. Cacio e pepe puffs. Cheese and pepper, corn and rice snack.
For salty, this.
For what?
For salty and for sweet.
For sweet, the orange slices.
Chili.
And for salty, the cashew and pepper. Yeah, that is it. So overall, are you impressed with American snacks, or you prefer Jamaican snacks?
Okay.
I like the versatility. So I'm impressed.
The mango is good.